Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho Expense for audit-ready receipt categories step by step clearly. To activate Zoho Expense for audit-ready receipt categories, start by logging into your Zoho Expense account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, locate and select the Categories section. Here, you will find the list of existing receipt categories. To add new categories specifically for audit readiness, click on the Add Category button. Enter a relevant name for the new receipt category in the designated field. Next, select the appropriate expense type that corresponds to this category. You may also include a brief description for clarity, if needed. Once you have filled out the necessary information, click the Save button to create the new category. Now, return to the main dashboard and navigate to the Expenses tab. Select an expense entry that requires a receipt to apply the newly created category. In the Expense Entry Details, find the Category drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to view all available categories. Select the newly created category that aligns with the expense. After selecting the category, upload the receipt by clicking the Attach Receipt button. Choose the receipt file from your device and complete the upload. Ensure that all fields are correctly filled before proceeding. Finally, click on the Submit button to finalize the entry with the activated category. Your receipt is now categorized in a way that is audit-ready in Zoho Expense. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.